Hello. I listened to a rather interesting lecture um, talking about the esoteric meaning of Wagner's epic four-act work, The Ring of the Nibelung. And the esoteric meaning of that. And so that's in a playlist on this channel that you can find and listen to. Might wonder what I'm doing here. It'll sort of make sense as we go on, because I got thinking about esoteric meanings, and it's quite interesting really what sort of where it leads you when you start thinking about all these different things. Something like this. Oh, the proportions are all wrong, but I'm not really an artist. But this is just give you a general sort of idea. Have a nice happy face there, with a smile. And, well kids, can you guess what it is yet? There is a point to all this. I thought I'd give you just a sort of visual thing to this one. Just something, just to sort of, excuse the pun, illustrate a point. What have we got here? Steps, that's it. And then another set there, I believe. Cylinders here, and then 1, 2, 3 wheels and the essential coupling rod between them, and then you'd have more wheels over this side and a coupling hook there. And very sort of freehand, crude attempts, not quite right, but close enough for the purpose of this. So I think you probably all recognise this now. It's a locomotive, Thomas the Tank engine. Let's add some colour into this. Let's have some fun with this. Because think like a child, and what does a child see? Well, certainly in children's stories are actually very brilliant. I'm just going to do this very roughly because we'll be here all day otherwise, and it's quite interesting trying to draw and create and talk at the same time. This is something new really for me. Oh dear. That's the phone going. Anyway, I think we'll have to pause this.